Hey guys, it's Nancy and Ruger. We are excited to share with you today a collection of truly quality pieces by a company called S. Let's get into this. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're returning. I really am excited to get in today's collection of S. They sent me 8 different pieces, including what I am wearing. When they contacted me, I looked into the company and they said they have higher end pieces and they're not offered at such high end prices though. So you can get some really quality pieces without that super high end price. I was a little dubious. I wanted to wait and see what the clothing was like when it came. And when I was taking them out of the bags, I was thinking, oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. So they do base their designs around shades of gray. So it's like black, white, gray. They try to keep it nice and classic. Let me tell you just a little bit about the company and then we'll get into looking at the pieces. They're founded in 1984 and they strive to combine simplicity and comfort with timeless style that's both edgy and refined. That is right up my alley. Their mission is to empower customers to look good and feel amazing by finding their own style. They do have a brick and mortar store in Paris and they ship to many countries. The free shipping over $99, but shipping under $99 is really reasonable. It's between $5.99 and $9.99 depending on the location. For instance, in the US and the UK, it's just $5.99 and it's $7.99 in Canada, but they cover so many different countries. So regardless of where you are probably going to be able to find S. and have it sent to you. The delivery is in 3 to 18 business days. I'm in Indiana in the US, so I'm going to guess this was here in less than a week, and that's depending on country, and the returns must be submitted within 30 days of package delivery. I want to tell you a little bit about the discounts. If you use the code Nancy25 before December 31st, you will get 25% off of your purchase. But before December 31st, if you use code Nancy30, you will get 30% off of your orders of $139 and over. And if you use code Nancy35, you will get 35% off of your orders over $179. So if you're on the site and you see a lot of things you like, be sure and do some math because it may actually work out better for you to keep a little bit more. Alrighty, I think that's about it. Let's get into the try-on of these gorgeous pieces. All S. pieces do come in size small to extra, extra large. They do have a very good size chart with each of the pieces where you can check and see what size might be best for you according to your measurements. I went with my measurements on all of the pieces, but just a few, and I will explain that as we go along. So first of all is the high waist loose fit jeans. These jeans are $87.99. They're a size large and they're about 89% rayon and 11% polyester. So they do have some stretch to them. They are machine wash and dry. Now, as you can see on me, they're just a little bit on the short side, but they work great with a pair of booties. I would call these ankle length on me. I am about 5'9". So if you're shorter than me, these are probably going to be just a perfect length. And if you're a little bit taller, they're going to be a crop style jean. Now, according to the measurements on the site, I probably should have gone with an extra large, but because my waist is smaller in comparison to my hips, and because I don't really like a baggy fit, I decided to go down. And this really makes a nice fitted pair of more regular kind of wide leg jeans. So keep that in mind. If you're a curvy girl, this would be a good choice for you. Just go down probably one size. Okay, next up we have the twist front crop top. This one is $75.90. It is machine wash and dry, and I did get this in a size large, which is exactly the size that their site recommended. It's 65% viscose and 35% nylon. The blend is really nice. It's pretty soft. I absolutely love these little sparkly puff sleeves. Aren't those the cutest things? This would be absolutely adorable moving into the holidays with any variety of bottoms. I'll turn around and let you see the back. Now, the one suggestion I want to make on this is there is a seam right here. Now, I don't know if this is supposed to go across the bust line or if it's supposed to pull down more. It wouldn't stay down on me. So for that reason, I would suggest possibly going up a size in this, especially if you are a little bit wider through the shoulders. But this is an absolutely adorable top, and this made for a really cute outfit. Isn't this open front wool blend coat beautiful? When I saw this on the website, I knew it was one of the pieces I was going to ask that they could send me for review. I just think this is so elegant. It's a thinner fabric made of 50% wool and 50% polyester, so it will keep you nice and warm without being too big and bulky. It has some really, really great details. So this is a size large. I did go according to their website recommendations. It's working for me even in my hips, which is a little bit bigger. So this has got some really good forgiveness to it, but I will suggest, because it is a slender fit, so it's slim through the arms and the shoulders, that if you have a little bit more size to your arms or a little bit more breadth to your shoulders, I would go up one on this. So let me share with you some of the fabulous features about this. First of all, there is a slim little belt that comes with it, but this is completely removable. And one thing I love is that they do not have the little thread belt loops. So this can be placed wherever your smallest place is or where you want it to go. It's up to you, the positioning of this belt. Now, they do say that it is open front, but the truth is there's a snap. There's a snap right here that holds it, and there's another one here that holds the return underneath to the underside. So this coat is not shifting or going anywhere. It does have a nice wide collar on it, which I think just gives it an extra little touch of class. And let me turn around and show you the back. I love this. This is $139.99, and with my discount codes, you can save at least 20%. Okay, let's move on to the next pieces. Before we move on to this gorgeous sweater, I did want to tell you that the coat is machine wash, believe it or not, hang to dry. I would lie it flat personally just so that it doesn't stretch out of shape. I also wanted to show you there's flat filled seams on this. So the seams are done in such a manner that they lie flat and they're stitched twice in essence to make sure that the raw edges are enclosed. This makes sure that you have a nice flat seam. That's why it's called flat felled. Also, just wanted to give you a little bit of close-up of that collar, and here is the back. This is a really special coat, in my opinion. So this is the Floral Loose Fit Sweater. It is $59.99, and it is machine wash and dry. This one is a size medium. Now, according to my measurements on the site, I should have been a large, but I went with a medium because a really oversized loose fit on me is never flattering. So I think this works a lot better. I think it's a super cute little sweater. The fabrics on this are 51.5% viscose, 26.5% polyester, and 22% nylon. It's a nice soft feel, but it's a very, very substantial sweater. This one's going to be nice and warm through our Indiana winters. I just think the style and the pattern on this is so very cute, and I can feel the quality in this piece. I am basing the next two outfits around these ribbed wide leg pants. These are really comfortable and soft. I love the drape of them. I can see them kind of filling in as a midi skirt, but also working really well just for around the house, especially during the holidays, having people over and things. This is a nice, comfortable way to still look pulled together. These are $54.99. I have them in size large. They're machine wash and dry, as are all of the pieces in this outfit, and they are 100% viscose. So let's move on to this striped cardigan. Now this one's supposed to be oversized. I went down to a medium because, again, oversized is never the best look on me, but isn't it so cute? This is $75.99, and the fabrics are 50% acrylic, 22% nylon, and 28% polyester. I love, look, all of the stripes are matching up all the way around. You all know how picky I am about this. Nice big buttons, a V-neck. and I'm crazy about cardigans, so I'm really happy to be adding this one to my wardrobe. Plenty of room in the sleeve, so you can slide this over a long sleeve top with absolutely no problem. Underneath it, I have a sleeveless top. So underneath this adorable cardigan, which I just noticed actually has the brown contrast buttons, which I think just makes it all the cuter, is this mock neck sleeveless top. So this one is $49.99. Again, I can feel the quality. It is a size medium. The fabric is 55% rayon, 35% nylon, and 8% spandex. So one unique feature about this is underneath the arms, there's a panel that goes between the front and back pieces. So there's actually a little bit of detail, because this piece that's sewn in stands out a little bit here at the edges on both the front and back at the sides. I like that. I think it just gives it a little bit of, again, extra style. You can kind of see the cutaway where that insert is right there. Also, this zips up the back. So this was really easy on and off. So another great little piece by S. Deer. How cute is this last piece in our S. Deer haul? This is the navy collar sweater at $64.99. It's a size medium. It is 51.5% viscose, 26.5% polyester, and 22% nylon, so it feels very soft and very substantial. This is also machine wash and dry. Some of the beautiful features of this top, look at these trumpet sleeves. How beautiful is that? The ribbing above the sleeves, and then of course this adorable navy style collar. I haven't seen a collar this style in a really long time, and I'm absolutely loving it. This is really great for those of us who have a little bit smaller shoulders in comparison to our hips. It helps to even things out, and the fit is really forgiving. I'm glad I went to a size medium instead of a large, because I like that little bit of a closer fit, but I think this would be flattering on virtually every single body type. Simply adorable would also be really cute with a pair of jeans, wouldn't it? Well, I'm sure that you can see by now why I am so impressed with the pieces from this company. The styles are easy to wear, they're comfortable, everything is machine washable, and it just really works together beautifully as a little capsule wardrobe and would blend with anyone's pieces that they already have in their closet. I would absolutely love to hear which one of these is your favorite. That's hard for me to nail down, but I'm particularly crazy about this gorgeous coat. I also like, I like all of the sweaters, to be honest with you. The top that has the pretty little sleeves is just beautiful. I love this sweater that has the floral pattern to it. And of course, I always love to wear a cardigan, and the one I have on. Isn't this just the cutest thing? I really hope that you will go down into my description box and check out the links to this and the link to their website. I mean, I've even got a coupon code for you for 50% off of clearance. Great coupons, great company, really great styling, super good quality, and a low price point for the quality that this is. If you're new here, I sew, and I know quality pieces, and I know quality fabric. I've been sewing for over 40 years now. This is the real deal. This is good stuff. I really love these pieces, and I want to thank S. Deer very much for gifting me these pieces to share with you. What a treat this has been. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a squish. That helps it so much. Comment down below. Love interacting with you guys. And if you like this type of content, I would be very honored if you would subscribe. Thank you very much for spending just a little bit of your time with me. It means so very much. And we'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. I forgot what I was going to say again. Wow. I'm talking way too much. I was going to do something I forgot. Let me do that again.